Ultramobile has about 140 employees. We're focused on primarily the international demographic. Foreign-born population, there's about 40 million foreign-born individuals living in the United States. And we offer voice, text, data services, and with unlimited international calling capabilities to a variety of destinations, 60 plus destinations in our $19 monthly plan. So the business problem that we face is that we're a very agile organization. We work in a hyper-competitive industry, and delivering new products and services is par for the course in order to continue to generate our base of subscribers. With being very agile and the different data sources that can be generated, modifications to existing data sources that can occur as well, with these new products and services, and with a growing subscriber base populating those data sources with massive amounts of data, it leads to a situation where we can, have non-performant data sources, trying to provide information to the executive leadership as quickly as we possibly can, so they have an understanding of how the business is performing is critical. As part of the platform that we've designed, we've incorporated data virtualization as a means of bringing together these disparate data sources, which allows us to, in real time, bring the data sources together, to mesh them together, data across that is spread across those different data sources, and then to provide that up to other applications that then tap into it. So the way that we consume the data from the data virtualization layer is essentially with real-time capabilities, being able to populate dashboards, and irrespective of the different visualization tools that we happen to use, we're able to then populate them from that single data virtualization layer without having to go to a multitude of additional data sources. So having that data virtualization layer, irrespective of the type of end user, whether you're an executive who just wants to slightly change the results in a dashboard, or you're an analyst that wants to dive deeper into those results, having that data virtualization layer allows that end user in real time to see those changes take place. One of the reasons why we selected Denodo is the performance improvements that we realized through our end user facing applications. We were able to minimize the amount of data that we were extracting from the underlying data sources to then feed back into those end user applications. Another reason why we selected Denodo as our data virtualization layer is just simply the ease of use. It was very easy to establish the views that then populate the data that is fed into these end user applications. One of the future uses of Denodo is the ability to leverage the API interface. And one of the benefits of that is we can, instead of just leveraging Denodo for BI tools, is to also then supply information that's calculated at an underlying data source, supplied through Denodo as a virtual layer, and then pushed to an application that's leveraged by our care department. It would be great if we can provide them with a score on a customer to say just how wonderful these customers are to us, and going the extra mile to show our customers just how fantastic they are.